I have been coming to this island since I was 12 years old. It didn't take me long to realize the rich history it has here. When I bought this island in 2018, I fulfilled a lifelong dream. The goal is not only to preserve the memories I made over those years, but to make new ones, and to give others the opportunity to do the same. As we go through this process, it has become clear to me, we aren't just rebuilding an island, we're reviving a legend. Here with the chef Robert Irvine from the Discovery Channel, Restaurant Impossible, and we are hopefully going to go out and catch some mutton snapper and maybe a few jacks, and got a little cook-off tonight with our chefs we're looking forward to, and really came down to talk about his foundation too, so welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
hey,
sir.
Listen, this is a beautiful place, and you put me on the fish, I'll cook the fish.
We'll do that.
I don't fish, that's a true story. Very busy, but I'm really excited. This place is unbelievable. You know, I slept the best I've ever slept in years here last night.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so, yeah.
You got one
Watch
more
out,
day.
watch out. Big fish coming.
I've got this little medley I wanted to do for the show, but my marketing guys, they hate it.
All right, go for it.
Can I give it to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's the Carl Island Fishing, Pornographic Fishing Show. Oh yeah. What do you think?
I think it could work.
You like?
Yeah. I think it could work.
See?
Listen, if
Definitely.
you have magic, just sprinkle magic in the water, make me catch a fish.
All
It'd be like, all right, watch this. Watch this now.
There you go. You're on the now when it makes noise.
There it is.
There you go.
Come on now. There we go, chef. Oh yes, come on, chef. Come on, baby. This is a beautiful fish. All right, slow down. Let Johnny Cab. There you go. Reel up. Go with him. Go with him. Go with him. Oh, beautiful fish. Yes. Stop right there.
Johnny will grab him.
Come on, Johnny. Yeah!
Let's go!
Beauty. You can see the red on his tail here, how pretty that is.
So listen, I'm with the man, the myth, the legend, Carl Allen, and he's teaching me how to fish. And yes, it actually worked. I caught one. 9.4 ounces, something like that.
Let's go with pounds.
All right, pounds, ounces. Listen, I'm English. It don't matter. Whatever.
It's mission accomplished. I mean, we brought him out here looking for the mutton, and he hooked into a monster, 9.4. We got it in. We're on what we call a sailboat out here, about 8 miles to the east of Walker's. Gonna head back in, maybe hit a wreck real quick, see if we can get Gale a fish before we head in. But boy, it's been sure nice having you out here, and I may have gotten you into this a little bit.
Listen, you've excited me. I never fished before in my life, and now I've got this kind of excitement. It's a game, but I got to tell you, it could be a new hobby for me.
Yeah, well, all the places
and
you
Walker's
go.
Cay, I got to tell you, unbelievable, unbelievable.
Awesome.
It's like a piece of paradise. So I got to fish, I get to cook later, I get to hang with the man, and hey, it's all good, right? Here we are in Walker's Cay. I got to tell you, beautiful setting. Look at the boats behind me, and I've got one of the best chefs in the world, Chef Patrick here. Yes, I said the world because I can. And what are we doing?
We've got a little contest today. It's going to be the Walker's Key Comp. between Gigi, that's my home boat, the boat I work on. Axis, you can see down the dock there. We've got Chef Neil on there working on a dish, and over hiding behind we've got the fishing boat, the Frigate. They collect a lot of the wonderful seafood we get around here, and we're all going to be working with a dish that's we sourced locally.
The funny part is, you're all so different. There's different skill level, different taste buds. This is going to be like a bragging rights competition, right?
It will be. I look forward to seeing what happens.
All right. So if I was to give you $100 right now, who would you bet on?
Isaac, Gigi,
Wow.
back in my own horse.
No hesitation, confidence right there.
Back in my own horse.
Really?
I might know
Okay.
something about Mr. Carl Allen's taste that you don't.
Listen, it doesn't matter to me who's got the taste. Here's the thing. If it's cooked correctly, if it's seasoned correctly, and it tastes amazing, it's going to win. Regardless of Mr. Allen's taste. And I said that. It's his boat. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you guys doing?
Very well. Excited about tonight's contest. We've got Isaac here, all the way from Baja, Mexico.
So what are you going to make?
We're doing cracked conch tonight. Some garlic confit aioli.
So tell me why you picked this. Obviously, conch is great here in the Bahamas, but why do you pick it?
Yeah, we chose it because it's a staple for us. Mr. Allen loves it.
So how are you making the aioli? Tell me about the garlic.
The garlic, I have been confitting the garlic for like an hour or so. Then I'm gonna use this oil with some egg yolk and do an emulsion.
Ah.
Yeah.
Most people would say, oh, I'm going to just grind up that garlic and throw mayonnaise and whatnot. He's actually going to make the mayonnaise from the oil
That's it.
that he did the confit in. That's next level, just so you know. I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, crack conch, it's a classic around here.
All right, so now let's go and check on some of your competition.
All right.
Yeah.
Frigate next.
Let's go.
Is up next. Hey, fellas.
Welcome.
What are we making?
All right, so what we have here, so we're gonna do you a little blackened Traeger grilled street taco with a little pineapple slaw on top with a cilantro aioli garnished with a lovely stone crab claw we caught this morning out there.
I'll take your $100 right now. Out of here, mic drop right now. Telling you. Not even got to the last one yet, but this is it. You know why?
Mutton taco.
You've got acid, you've got heat, you've got texture, and it's simple food. And you're highlighting this. The problem with most people when they cook fish is they kill it with all the condiments. That's it.
And while we're here, while we got you, you gotta have a shot of tequila with us for a great day.
Don't mind if I do.
Solid.
Thank you, thank
It's a good way to start the day. Cheers.
Breakfast?
Gentlemen,
Cheers,
Cheers.
fellas. Cheers, cheers.
It's a beautiful day we had.
Cheers, cheers.
Nice work.
There it is.
Chef Neil, how you doing?
Great. How are you guys?
Good.
What are you thinking?
I'm gonna do a Spanish style empanada with the stone crab, local stone crab, with a romesco sauce.
Empanada with romesco. So walk me through it. Take me through it.
The filling, I got the stone crab. I got a little cilantro, oregano, tomato. There'll be some yellow and red pepper in here as well. That's really it for the filling. In the romesco sauce, I will have my ricotta cheese, my roasted red peppers, almonds toasted.
So which one of these are you going to use or not?
I think I'll probably use a little bit of the island fire,
Okay.
just for a little extra spice.
Every culture has an empanada. In England, they call them Cornish pasties, right? Same kind of thing. It's just pastry with something in it.
Yep.
But we fold it on the edges. The old tin miners used to do it for breakfast.
Yeah.
So empanadas,
Spanish makes you do the pork.
I am nuts about empanadas.
I love pastries, pies, savory pies.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
that's it. Well, you heard it here. Walker's K, 3 chefs, 3 dishes, 2 judges. Who will it be?
Gentlemen,
Evening.
we've got the boys from Frigate rolling in here with some of that mutton you caught earlier, Robert. Captain Ian. And Johnny.
All right, chef. Tonight, Frigga has prepared you tortilla, slightly seared in the pan, with smoked mutton, lightly blackened, topped with a pineapple coleslaw, the hint of spice, a little cilantro aioli on top, garnished with shredded stone crab.
Wow.
Beware, your tongue may slap your forehead.
Oh, I like confidence. Well, here's a thing I do like first, that you toasted the tortilla. A little bit wet. You see it's dripping everywhere?
Yeah.
Nice heat though. Good flavor, nice citrus.
I do. I taste the citrus and the little blackened. I can taste that. A little runny, but yeah. Good.
So what you should do next time is not fill the tortilla until you walk to where you're going to serve it, so that it doesn't.
Copy that.
Flavor. On a 9 to 10, it's a 9.5 right there.
Thank you, chef. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Really good.
Awesome.
I'm gonna go with the weight of your fish today, 9.4.
Oh wow.
Chef,
Nice.
we've got a Spanish-style empanada with the local stone crab, done with the red pepper romesco sauce.
Wow.
Enjoy.
We got a special.
Mine's better than sex. That is absolutely that. That's a quick review. It's delicious. Unbelievable. Wow.
I'll tell you, first of all, empanadas, right, just means I carry something to fill. I think that the actual crust itself, the pastry, is so well done. I know you didn't make the pastry, but you cooked it perfectly. The filling is so well seasoned. And you know what brings it all together? The romesco sauce. It's just got enough heat so I can still taste the crab.
Yes.
Right? Because romesco is a very soft, but you put red pepper in it, which again changes taste buds. It's just hot enough to give me enough seasoning in the crab that doesn't kill the crab. That right now, I'm going to tell you right now, is a 10 for me.
10 out of 10.
That's a 10. Oh,
And here we have Isaac of Gigi rolling in from Baja, Mexico.
There we go.
What do you got, Isaac?
I got some cracked conch, garlic confit aioli, little cilantro microgreen with some charred onion powder. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you, sir.
you know what excites me about this dish? That you've taken the garlic, confit the garlic in the oil, and then use the oil to make the sauce. Technically, out of all 3 dishes, yours is number 1. And then you've taken the onion, charred it, made it into a powder. Spectacular. Seriously. Wow. I don't know.
We eat a lot of local here. We just had the two others that were local, the snapper and the claw mixed in, but boy, I don't think you can beat it, Isaac. I think you got it, man. This is it. You got the dish. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Three amazing dishes by three different chefs on three different boats, working for one iconic man, Carl Allen. The winner, Hunk. Who would have thought? Amazing. Seriously, technically, all three chefs did such an amazing job, but there has to be one winner. There he is. So you think you're good enough to take one of these three chefs? Come and do it. Next year, second annual. What are you waiting for? Just means I get another trip here, that's it.
Like and subscribe for more Walker's Cake content. Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, and as always, we can't wait to see you here at Walker's Cake.